What's up guys, welcome to the Rave Shop. Today we've got our 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Premium. And this thing is awesome. It's a loaded TRD off-road. One of the highest packages you can get with the rear differential locker, with the crawl control. It's got leather seats and all kinds of interior bells and whistles. But one thing we miss about the TRD Pro is the hood scoop. So what we're gonna do today is walk through how to swap a TRD Pro hood, how to attach all the scoop components, and we're gonna put it on the truck. So let's go. Okay, we're gonna start with the scoop assembly. And I've got these foam blocks that I'm just gonna put under the painted hood scoop to protect the paint a little bit. All right, now these nuts right here have to go on before we can slide this in. So it's just these two spots here in the middle. So on this piece, there are some little tabs. Now these tabs have to slide underneath the lip before it can lay down. So just make sure you slide those in. Then we can take our other nuts and slide them in. Then we're gonna take our white plastic retainer clips, and those are gonna go in all the other spots. Okay, next we've just got 4 of these Phillips screws. So with these trim pieces, you can see in the plastic there are some guides on where to mount these. So we're gonna have 2 of these foam strips here. And then there's gonna be a slightly longer rubber trim that's gonna go along each side. And you can see where they've got some little guides here on both sides. So we're gonna attach that, and these are kind of like an L shape. So we're gonna put the L with the scoop on the inside corner of the L, kind of like that. So the lip of the L will be on the outside, and then the shorter piece is gonna go up here. And again, we've got little tiny plastic guides where that's gonna go. So all you have to do is peel off the adhesive and stick it on. All right, this has got to be the most satisfying part of this whole thing. We're gonna see the scoop on here for the first time. Make sure all of the clips are lined up. You'll also see the bottom of the black bolts coming through the bottom. Everything looks lined up, so we're gonna send it. Okay, we've got these 10mm flange nuts, and we're just gonna go ahead and finger tighten these. What you really don't want is for one of these nuts to fall into the hood. That would be fun. All right, we're gonna be using this power ratchet just to get it started and get it most of the way. We're not gonna tighten with this because that metal bolt has an insert that slides into like a little square plastic part of the scoop. And if you over tighten, it's gonna spin that square and just break through the plastic. So we're really just gonna get it close, and we're gonna go nice and slow here. All right, now we're gonna finish the job with just a classic ratchet. And make sure we get that human touch, feel it a little better. All right, so what we've got next is we need to remove this trim here, and we need to remove the acoustic cover on the bottom of the hood. So I've got my plastic trim removal tool. And I'm just gonna pop these out. So one more thing we're gonna move over is this Paratic engine light. This is with one of their Heretic scene lights, and it's a super easy install. This goes right over to the battery, but one of my favorite upgrades on this truck. All right, so on these, you just want to use a plastic removal tool to barely pull it down till it's a little loose, and then you just kind of have to maneuver it out. But these are a pain. All right, our original clips did not last, so we got some new ones we're throwing in. These ones are working a lot better. All right, so on these window washer sprayers, we're just gonna pull towards the front of the truck and they pop right off. Okay, so on these, we're just gonna take a flathead screwdriver and help get that hose off of the sprayer. And then we can pull it off the tubes and then remove it from the clips. All right, so these window washer clips, you're just gonna use a plastic trim removal tool. Kind of have to work on it on both sides. And then we'll just bring it right over here to the new one. All right, since we've got the hood off and we're under here anyways, we're gonna go ahead and throw some of our Rave Off-Road ditch light brackets on. These are really cool because it pushes the position of the light way outside, gets it a little bit closer to get a better angle off of the side of the truck. And it also hides the hardware that holds the light in place here. We're gonna put these on as we're getting the hood in place, and these go under. So these are a little bit adjustable. If you need to, you can move the hood forward and backward. Okay, so we fished our window wiper fluid line back through and up to the front, and now we're gonna attach our sprayer. All right, we've got our Heretic light back on the new hood, and we've got our window wiper fluid ran through the new hood, and we're ready to put on our acoustic liner. All right, going on the ditch light brackets, we've got Diode Dynamics SS3 Pros. These have an awesome backlight feature, so they look really cool at night and they're just super bright. So awesome ditch light option. We have a complete ditch light kit that comes with the brackets, a dash switch, and I want to say 25 different lighting options on top of the bracket. So give that a look and let us know if you have any questions on ditch lights. So these are SS3 Pros by Diode Dynamics. They have this awesome amber DRL function. And then when you're ready to turn them on, they are super bright. Here's that final look at the hood scoop. Love how it turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you guys enjoy some of these final shots of this pro hood scoop on this TRD off-road.